Hey there, fellow online cash hunters. Welcome back to Online Cash Hunt. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing, where we'll unlock the power to monetize your online ventures and build a sustainable stream of passive income. If you're ready to take your online journey to the next level, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Before we explore the nitty-gritty of affiliate marketing, let's first understand what it is. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique affiliate link. Imagine this as a win-win partnership between you, the affiliate marketer, and the product owner or merchant. You get to recommend valuable products to your audience, and in return, you earn a handsome commission on successful referrals. It's a fantastic way to turn your online influence into tangible profits. Now that we know what affiliate marketing is, let's explore how to get started. Step 1 is finding the right niche or products to promote. Choose products that align with your audience's interests and needs. Remember, authenticity is key in affiliate marketing. Only promote products you genuinely believe in and have tested yourself. Make a list of potential affiliate programs in your niche. You can find them on affiliate networks like ClickBank, Amazon Associates, and ShareASale. Each program will provide you with a unique affiliate link to track your sales. Step 3 is all about creating engaging content. Whether you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, quality content is the heart of successful affiliate marketing. Write in-depth product reviews, make tutorial videos, or share personal success stories with the product. Your audience must see the value in what you're promoting. Be honest and transparent, always disclose your affiliate links to maintain trust. Moving on to step 4, driving traffic to your affiliate offers. No matter how excellent your content is, it won't yield results without the right audience. Use social media, SEO, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach potential customers. Leverage the power of social media platforms to connect with your audience and drive traffic to your affiliate links. Engage with your followers, respond to their questions, and be an authority in your niche. Lastly, step 5 is all about analyzing and optimizing your affiliate marketing efforts. Keep track of your campaigns, measure their performance, and identify what's working and what's not. Dive into analytics tools like Google Analytics to understand your traffic sources, conversion rates, and which products resonate most with your audience. This data will help you make informed decisions to boost your earnings. Conclusion, and there you have it, the power of affiliate marketing. By finding the right products, creating compelling content, driving traffic, and analyzing your results, you'll unlock the potential to monetize your online ventures and create a sustainable passive income stream. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about making money online, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Online Cash Hunt. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, keep hunting for those online cash opportunities.